guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 6 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. Okay, so Mr. Boo, of course, lalaki yan, matcha-challenge talaga yan. Tapos ngayon siya na magtutulak. Pushes away. Sa tingin mo, paanohin ka ni Mr. Boo? Wait, Mr. Boo. I don't need you to tell me if I'm a man. Of course. Galit na yarn. Outpatient pullover. So, we're at the hospital now, Mr. Boo. So, malalaman niya na wala ng toxin yung blood ni, Chuyan. In half an hour. Lagi lang half an hour, Pansin nyo? Laging after half an hour. O, diba? Sama na naman yung tingin ni Mr. Boo. For sure nalaman niyang wala ng toxin yung blood niya. Don't you have anything to tell me? Why? O, diba? Masama na naman yung iniisip niya. Sabi niya a new toxin like this could only be countered by a special kind of antidote. It will never go away overnight. Suspicious ka na naman. Sexy talaga ni Chuyan. Kami yung cleavage, So, you think I was the one who arranged for the assassin to kill you but rescued you in that critical moment just to impress you? Self-mocking. What a speechless si Mr. Boo ngayon. Wala naman siyang sinasabi, pero halata naman sa implication ng kilos niya, expression ng mukha niya. I don't mind if you think me that way. Leaves. Siya na lang umalis. You will know I didn't do anything sooner or later. Of course, malalaman naman niya, matalino naman to si Mr. Boo. For sure, nakapag-investigate na din, hindi ba? After the closing of the door, it opens. Bumalik siya. At siya nagulat, diba? Na bumukas ulit yung door. And okay, it's an assistant. Mr. Boo, we found the man who arranged for the assassin to murder you. Tell me. Okay, ngayon, sabihin na niya at malalaman na niya totoo na hindi si Chuyan. Niligtas lang talaga siya ni Chuyan. Half a year ago, we bid for a piece of land on the eastern side of the city, which the Lee family wanted in the first place and had already negotiated with the government. But we ultimately got the land, which irritated the Lee family. We all know that the Lee family used to run gangs, so he's the main proprietor. Mr. Boo, shall I get some men and retaliate? Siyempre, tik na siyang mapahamak, and also Chuyan. They tried to kill me. I will not just retaliate. Oh, what are you going to do? Scary. I will make their lives like hell. Yes, sir. I'll get to it. Diba? Pati yung mga assistant niya, takot. Hold on. Hold on what? Send someone to follow Chuyan. I did wrong at her after all. Charing. Palusot mo. For sure you're also affected with Chuyan. Chuyan's so pretty, diba? Several days later. Several days na. Hindi na siya half an hour. Several days later. Wow. She looks like a medieval outfit. Well, I'm finally done preparing my shop. My shop will be open for business tomorrow. Mag-open siya ng business. I think it's a flower shop. A woman has to love herself and be independent if she wants love from others. She has to have her own career. So the career that she chooses is flower shop. Amazing. This flower shop is the career I choose. Diba? Kaya niya kaya yan? For sure, hindi naman niya pipiliin yan kung hindi niya kaya, diba? And click. She's going to close the shop for the opening tomorrow. Wala siyang assistant. Oh, somebody pops out. Host. Danger. Danger. Oh no. Buti na lang na si Seven, ano. Someone's always giving her some hints if there's danger or something. Raise your hands. Oh no. I thought it's Boo. But it's a Tiff? Is he a Tiff? Okay, okay. Please don't be impulsive. I can give you the key to the cashier desk. There is cash in it. Nga, bigay mo na lang. Huwag ka nang pumiglas. Press against. Just go with me, otherwise I will stab you. I don't want money. So, nung kailangan niya kung ayaw niya ng pera? Oh my gosh, is it kidnapping? Kasi tinulungan niya si Boo? Si Mr. Boo pala. He's not here for money. So my enemy sent him? Who could it be? Could it be Bai Jianing or... Si Bai Jianing, siya yung mistress ng wife, niyang husband niya. Or Mu Yu. Yung soon to be engaged kang, Mr. Boo? Bam! Someone's angry. Who would that be? Si Mr. Boo. You are useless. Didn't I ask you to watch over Chu Yan? Why are you so angry, huh? Yes, Chu Yan. Ano man, pinabantayan niya. Bakit di na safe? I did watch over her all this time, but you asked me not to show my face to her. Yun naman pala. It was your fault. You didn't tell him to help her if ever there's danger. I want to know where she was. Taken to now. Yes, sir. Ooh, kasama niya si Mu Yu. Mr. Boo? Hindi sila intimate because she's still calling her Mr. Boo. Yan didn't even look at me. He just walked out. So Boo Yan. Okay. Yan. Look at each other, confused. How could Mr. Boo live like this? Who could it be to make Mr. Boo look so different all of a sudden? It was about a woman, of course. Men can change attitude because of men. It's either money or woman. Oh my god, Mr. Boo must love that woman very much. She must be gorgeous. Why else would he act so frantically? Oh nga, no. Affected naman si Mr. Boo. So, possible. Hello? How are things over there? Siya pala. Siya nag-utos. She is a mastermind. No matter how beautiful that bitch is, she won't be after tonight. So, what is she planning to do? Is she going to ruin her face, ruin her dignity, or what? Smirks. Don't worry, she's with me now. I'll do it when we arrive at our destination. Maano din to si Mu Yu eh. Someone already knew you kidnapped her and would pursue you very soon. Don't wait anymore. Just pull over and do it. Don't forget to ruin her face after that. Ay, papasira niya yung mukha ni Chu Yan. Oh my gosh, napaka-evil-hearted naman itong ate girl na to. Akala ko pa naman mahinahin. Now? Okay. You are the boss. I'll do it right away. This woman is sexy indeed. I can't wait to do it with her. Ha ha ha. Opens eyes. Scary eyes. Sorry boy, pero I think it would be another way around. You will be sorry for sure. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen to this guy on the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!